हेलो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे डीएवी क्लास 6 एसएसटी चैप्टर 16 द गुप्ता एम्पायर के क्वेश्चन आंसर। ए टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट, हु वाज द लास्ट कुशन रूलर? इसका आंसर होगा ए वासुदेव। सेकंड, हु इज नोन एज द नेपोलियन ऑफ इंडिया? इसका आंसर होगा सी समुद्रगुप्त। थर्ड, हु वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू प्रूव दैट द अर्थ मूव्स अराउंड द सन? इसका आंसर होगा बी आर्यभट्ट। फोर्थ, अजंता एंड एलोरा केव्स आर फेमस फॉर देयर? इसका आंसर होगा ए रॉक कट टेम्पल्स। फिफ्थ, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिडंट प्रिवेल ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ चंद्रगुप्त सेकंड? इसका आंसर होगा बी एजुकेशन वाज अवेलेबल टू पीपल ऑफ ऑल द क्लासेस इन द सोसाइटी। बी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट, डैश वाज अ रिनाउंड पोएट इन द कोर्ट ऑफ चंद्रगुप्त सेकंड? आंसर कालिदास। Second, Dash is a famous collection of tales written by P.T. विष्णु शर्मा? इसका आंसर होगा पंचतंत्र। थर्ड, द रस्ट फ्री आयरन पिलर इज लोकेटेड एट डैश इन न्यू दिल्ली? इसका आंसर होगा मेहरावली। फोर्थ, इन गुप्ता एम्पायर डैश वॉज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू? इसका आंसर होगा टैक्सेशन। फिफ्थ, द मेन सोर्सेस ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट ऑफ पीपल इन गुप्ता एम्पायर वेयर डैश एंड डैश? इसका आंसर होगा एनिमल फाइटिंग्स एंड सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स। सी राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। फर्स्ट, घटोत्कच गुप्ता रूल्ड फ्रॉम 280 कॉमन एरा टू 319 कॉमन एरा? ट्रू। सेकंड, चंद्रगुप्त सेकंड वाज अ ग्रेट वॉरियर एंड एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर? ट्रू। थर्ड, भुक्तिज और देश वेयर नॉट गवर्नड बाय उपारिका महाराज? फॉल्स। Fourth, many sun temples were built in the Gupta period? True. Fifth, Gupta period didn't contribute at all to the field of literature? False. D. Answer the following questions in brief. First, who stabilized the Gupta Empire and when? Answer, Sri Gupta stabilized the Gupta Empire in 275 Common Era. Second, what was the function of the Gram Panchayat in the Gupta period? Answer, function of the Gram Panchayat was to look after the needs of the villagers. Third, which items were exported from India during the Gupta period? Answer, export items were pearls, diamond, indigo, precious stones, garments, ivory products, etc. Fourth, who was Aryabhatta? What was his contribution? Answer, Aryabhatta was a great scientist and mathematician. He is remembered even today because he proved that the earth moves around the sun on its axis, not vice versa. Fifth, name two famous epics which were translated into Tamil during the Gupta period. Answer, Ramayana and Mahabharata. E. Answer the following questions. First, give three main sources of information about the period of Samudragupta. Answer, inscriptions on Ashoka's pillar at Allahabad, Iran edict and coins of Samudragupta are the main sources of information. Second, how was trade carried on in the Gupta period? Answer, during Gupta period, trade was carried on by land and river routes. Mathura, Peshawar, Ujjain, etc. were connected by roads, and rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Kaveri and Godavari provided water routes. India's export items were pearls, garments, ivory products, precious stones, etc. Import items were gold, silver, tin, silk, horses, etc. Third, highlight agriculture as an important occupation of the people. Answer, agriculture was the main occupation of the people. The farmers were the owner of land. For providing irrigational facilities, walls, tanks, canals were constructed. The main crops were wheat, rice, pulses, sugarcane, etc. Taxation remained the main source of revenue. Fourth, who was Kalidas? Why is he remembered even today? Answer, Kalidas was one of the 9 gems of the royal court of Chandragupta II. He is remembered even today because of his famous works. Example, Raghuvams, Kumar Sambhava, etc. These books are even today taught in educational institutions in our country because of the great social values. Fifth, what is the contribution of the Gupta period in the field of science and technology? Answer: the contribution of Gupta period in the field of science and technology has been no less. All the field of science were well developed. Aryabhatta proved that Earth moves around the sun. He also wrote a book, Aryabhattiyam. The rust-free iron pillar in New Delhi was made by Nagarjuna, which has never got rusted till today. वीडियो देखने के लिए थैंक यू। वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक यू।